Today, I'm going to take you through how to use eyelid wipes. Begin by thoroughly washing your hands. Open a packet of the eyelid cleansing wipes. Wrap the wipe around your finger and carefully clean your bottom eyelid in small circular motions, starting from the inner corner near the nose and moving towards the outer corner. Make sure to clean the base of your eyelashes where debris and oil can accumulate. You may find it easier to use the mirror. So now let's do the upper eyelid. Gently close your eyelid and again start from the inner corner and move towards the outer corner using gentle circular motions, ensuring to get to the base of the eyelashes. Now repeat the process for your other eye using a fresh wipe. Using eyelid cleansing wipes regularly in this way can keep your eyelids clean and help reduce the symptoms of eye discomfort.